In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable keyboard vibration on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there get into sounds and haptics. Now, here at the bottom, hit on keyboard feedback. And now there you can set up keyboard feedback, you can enable or disable sound and enable or disable haptic. Haptic means vibration. And once you enabled haptic, you can hop out settings, go into some messenger or notes, for example, open up keyboard and start typing to check how it works. Now I felt small vibration while I am typing. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.